Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to add music to videos on Google Photos. Let's get started. First, you want to open the Google Photos app on your phone. And on the top right, you want to tap the plus icon. From the menu, you want to choose Highlight Video. Then tap on Select Photos at the bottom and choose your video. Then you want to tap on Create. From here, you want to choose and tap the music icon. And here we have two options. You can select your own music or pick from Google Photos theme music library. In the theme library, you'll find categories like dramatic, electronic, R&B and soul, reflective, rockin', and so much more. For example, let's go ahead and choose from dramatic, galactic damages. Once you're happy with this, you can go ahead and click choose save. And from here, it'll give you a preview of your video with the new music. Once you're satisfied, just go ahead and tap save, and Google Photos will now process your video. After a few seconds, your video with background music will be ready to share. And that's it. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks!